Okay guys, so I want to take you through my cleaning supplies real quick. This one is for the toilet, and we're not cleaning the toilet today, but this one is the one you put in the cistern, and every time you flush it kind of cleans the toilet, which is pretty cool. Next is this surface scrubber, and I've been looking for a big surface scrubber because those small ones, they give you a workout that you really didn't ask for. So I'm happy to have this. It's kind of like new in the market and it's fairly inexpensive. Guys, this video is not sponsored, even though you can see Morning Fresh, and Morning Fresh. Now this dishwashing liquid soap is what I'm going to use to clean up my couches, plus of course cleaning the dishes. Anything antibacterial is very inakuvutia since we are in the Rona times. Then the scoring powder is for the bathroom sinks, toilet. Then this aqua mist is something new, something fresh that I'm hoping to try out on the couches. And this pack, every time I see 2 in 1, I'm always looking out for deals, so this, I am attracted to this. And if you have a domestic worker who doesn't know how to control portions, getting such packs will help. And then finally Harpic, who doesn't know Harpic, for the washrooms, for the toilet. So yeah, now let's get into washing. This is my mini haul, my cleaning supplies haul. So let's get into cleaning. First thing I do is to clear everything out of the way. So I use the dishwashing liquid soap together with hot water, and I dilute the water with some cold water so that I can dip my hands in it, throw in a rag, and I make sure I squeeze all the water out of the rag before I start cleaning up. I remove all the cushions and I clean in the crevices. Now this is my version of like deep cleaning. I don't do this all the time I'm cleaning, but like let's say it's spring cleaning. Yes, let's say it's spring cleaning. How many of you can relate when you were younger, fishing for coins after having guests over, especially men who have coins in their pockets? And I just go through the couch, and if I see a spot that needs to be tackled, I spot clean the couch and then just do an overview of like swipes. So once I'm done with cleaning, I put everything back together and just start with the organizing bit by bit. My sister already washed the cushion covers and the pillow covers, so that made life so much easier. So now I can just tackle the rest of the couch. So clearly this is a high traffic couch based on all the trash that is underneath and in the crevices. And yes, I found my bobby pins. Like, now I know where they are. I wanted to show you that I've been changing the water ever so often depending on how dirty it gets. And now I want to tackle this entertainment area. Now I say it's an entertainment area, but clearly it has also been a dumping site. You can see my niece's toys, my mannequin head, all the iron box. So this has just been a whole mess that needed cleaning. We've been dumping stuff in there. So yeah, it was a much needed organization session. So when it comes to cleaning up electronics, I like to switch off the power supply, unplug everything, and then just remove every wire from the electronic and wipe down everything. Like, I mean everything. And since the rag is damp and not wet, it does pick up kidogo water, but you have to let the electronics dry up before you put them back together and connect it to the power supply. So that's how I work with the electronics. Some people just like dusting. I find it to be effective if I use a damp cloth. That's just my way of doing it. Everyone has their own way of doing it. Quarantine, I've been living at my sister's for a couple of weeks, then at home for a couple of weeks. So this cleanup was really needed, because sometimes if you neglect the house gets really dusty. Plus my neighbor is constructing, so all the dust just keeps coming to this side. So yeah, and once I'm done with everything, I just plug in all the electronics and voila, we're done. So I'm in the middle of cleaning and I'm gotten really hungry. So looky here. I'm going to take this smoothie and try to push along until I finish. But yeah, hi, you haven't seen me. You haven't seen my face. Alright, let me do that and then I try and finish up. But my choker. For the floors, I start off by sweeping and then I follow up with mopping, and that's basically the routine. Sweep, mop until you're done. I do go over the back part of the couches that I couldn't reach before, and that's just part of the deep cleaning session.
Evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So guys, now that the living room is clean, it's smelling fresh, I want it to even smell better. Yes. So I want to spray this. This is very expensive, but I was like, since it says it takes away odor, I think that's cool because people will be putting their butts on this chair. So I think I'll just test it out, let you guys know if it's any good. But so far it smells good. So let's do this, guys. Okay guys, so it's all the way up here. I think I went overboard. I just was happy spraying. So good actually. So I got it up to here for the first sesh, but I guess the rest I'll just be doing like an over, because this time I was just like going in so hard. But what I know is you can make a DIY one for yourself. You don't really need to buy this. So next time when I do a clean with me, I'll show you guys how to do your own DIY so that you don't have to buy this. But if you are curious and you want to test it out, it's okay. I recommend it. You can buy it. Buy it, test it out. If you don't want to do a DIY one, then stay tuned for the next one. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.